Okay, so welcome members. Now today I'm going to see another new topic. This topic is called business mathematics. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This deals with currency and so on. So let's start with profits and losses, or profit and loss. First of all, to know the profit and then the loss, you need to know what we call a cost price, then also a selling price. A cost price is the price at which an item is purchased. So the amount of money you give when you are purchasing something, that's what we call it, cost price. Then the selling price is the price at which an item is sold. So after you are adding that item, you can decide to sell it. So when you sell it, that amount is what we call the selling price. The profit is made if the selling price is more than the cost price. So if we accumulate more of the selling than this, then we will make a profit. How do you get a profit? You get the selling price minus the cost price. The loss is made if the cost price is more than the selling price. So if you sell a product at a lower cost than the cost you bought it, then that will be a loss. And it's given by the cost price, then minus the selling price. Or is it subtract from the one which is big minus one which is small. If the selling is bigger, profit. Selling smaller, loss. Percentage loss is the loss over the cost price times 100. Then here the percentage profit is the profit over the cost price then times 100. A profit of 20% means the selling price is 120% of the cost price. Then if a loss of 20% means the selling price is 80% of the cost price. Okay, let's see some examples here. We have a book is bought at 20,000 and sold at 2,000 and sold at 2,750 shillings. Find the profit. Of course, this is our selling price and this is our cost price. So the solution here is going to be our selling price is going to be then our cost price means that now our profit is going to be the selling price minus the cost price. It is going to be this one is going to give us 750 shillings, so that's the profit. Then calculate the percentage profit. We say the percentage profit is going to be, we say you get the profit over the cost price times 100. So it's the profit over the cost price then times 100, which will be our profit over the cost price, which is 2,000, then times 100, and the percentage you get there is going to be, okay, so you see that these two zeros go with this one, then this one go with this one, and when you divide there, so that is going to be 37.5, so that is the percentage profit. So when you come here, we have now an item is bought at 60,000 and sold at 54,000. Calculate the loss made. Of course, you see that our cost price is 60,000. Then the selling price, you see it is 54,000. So that this one is going to be a loss because the selling price is lower than the cost price. So what do we do there? Now we shall get now our loss as now the cost price minus the selling price, and here we shall get when you subtract there, then you get 6,000 shillings. So that is our loss made. Then the percentage loss is going to be the loss we made, 6,000 over the cost price, then times 100. So you see that there is the 4 go like that. Then by this one, this one. So this is going to give us a 10% percentage loss. And so that's how we run. These are very good questions, by the way. A bag was bought at 40,000 and sold at a profit of 40%. Either the selling price. Okay. So now, if this is the profit percentage made, it means that now the selling price, we say it's going to be now made at 100, then plus the profit made percent of the cost price, which will be 140% of the cost price. Now we say that this is now 140 over 100 now times our cost price was bought at 40,000. So now our selling price, this to go, this to also go. So this times this, we have a 56 something. 56, and then these 3 zeros, 1,000 shillings. And so that's how we get our selling price, really easy. So that's it, members. We have got some more examples about these ones. I will see you next.